Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Only indication for hormone replacement therapy. Indications of hormone replacement therapy. The only indication for hormone replacement therapy is severe hot flushes. If severe hot flushes are present for short time treatment, that if severe hot flushes are present, then we should give short term treatment for 3 to 5 years within 10 years of menopause. Oral or transdermal estrogens are given. Transdermal estrogens are preferred because they have lesser side effects.
thank you and thank you for watching.